few organism doesn't take a trouble to actually go and find someone for reproduction. Therefore, they say, I'm self-sufficient and I don't need anyone for a help. I can do all the things by myself. Hence, they undergo from asexual reproduction. Hello everyone, this is Akshara from grade 10 and today we are going to discuss about type of fission. Fission is the type of asexual reproduction. There are total 6 types of asexual reproduction. Fission, fermentation, regeneration, budding, spore formation and vegetative propagation. So today we will discuss about types of fission. Fission is broadly classified into 2 types, binary fission and multiple fission. As name has been suggested, in binary fission, 2 individuals are formed from a single parent cell, whereas in multiple fission, many individuals are formed from a single parent cell. Most of the bacteria follow the binary fission for a propagation. Where in fact, the binary fission is a very simple process that all the cell need to do is grow or double its size and then get separated from each other. Before the fission occurs, cells copy a genetic material. In this case, the genetic material is DNA. First, the cell will copy this DNA and then get segregated and move opposite side of this organism. After that, the cytoplasm also gets divided, splits and then forms into 2 new organisms. We can say that a single parent cell gets divided or splits into 2 parts and forms a 2 daughter cell. I just said splits into 2 parts. How the splitting happens? This is also an important point. How the split happens if we take a simple thread which is one dimensional. So there is only one way to separate it or to split it. But what about all the organisms? Organisms are of 3 dimensional. For example, if we take amoeba. Amoeba is unicellular organism. It does not have any fixed shape. And also it is a 3-dimensional and follows the binary fission process for reproduction. Now amoeba also follows the same process what we discussed before. It copies the DNA in the cell, then the cell gets divided, then cytoplasm also gets divided and the parent cell of the amoeba forms into a 2 daughter cell. So here we can conclude that splitting of a 2 cell during the cell division can take place at any place. I hope this was clear about fission. Now let's move to the next part, that is a second type of fission, that is multiple fission. Multiple fission occurs in a few organisms and it does not only reproduce but it also depends on unfavorable condition. For example, Plasmodium. Plasmodium which causes the malaria. Here the malaria during the unfavorable condition it develops a protective cover around its body which is known as cyst. Inside the cyst there is a parent cell which replica itself and divide repeatedly itself and form into a many nuclei. After this process, the nuclei slowly creates a cytoplasm around its body. Then we can say inside the cyst there are many daughter cells formed and the cyst remain in dormant state till the return of a favorable condition. When a favorable condition is returned, the cells will break down and the many offspring will liberate it into the favorable condition where they can nurture itself. I hope it was all about we discussed about binary fission and multiple fission. Let's recap again. We discussed about kinds of asexual reproduction, then we discussed about types of fission, then with the examples of amoeba and also paramecium and difference between binary fission and multiple fission. I hope today's discussion was really great. Thank you.